Everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Person. So hope you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive outstanding party wear collections, festive wear collections only for you. So let me display all are very beautiful and bright, gorgeous looks. And this one, tissue kota Banarosi, very bright one, golden shade kota weaving base all over with beautiful zari weaving traditional Banarosi buta and border, very nice looks, and this one is shiny material. This one is border portions, beautiful golden zari weaving design work, Banarosi border, contrast color, golden shade. And this one, pallu in beautiful zari patch with buta work, very nice looks. This one is running blouse piece and this one is pallu, and this one full base part, very bright and fresh looks. This one is full base, this portion is border portions, gray shade, bright gray shade with zari weaving border work and golden base all over Banarosi buta design, very trendy and fashionable and traditional looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant and fresh looks, bright also. And this one also very nice color combinations, golden same material, tissue kota Banarosi all over kota weaving, contrast color border with heavy Banarosi weaving design work. This one border portion fully fine Banarosi weaving design work border. This one is pallu in zari patch with buta work. This one is running blouse piece, this portion is running blouse piece, and golden shade orange contrast Banarosi weaving design work border, very bright and fresh looks. This one border portion fully traditional Banarosi weaving design work border, and this one is golden shade with buta work and kota weaving, and very fresh and bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant and fresh looks. And this one tissue Banarosi and very smart and bright looks all over, heavy work, contrast color border, and easy drapable soft one. This one full base part, this portion is border portions, contrast color with Banarosi weaving, traditional Banarosi weaving design work border all over, heavy work, golden base, and very soft one, tissue base with weaving work. And this one pallu portions, fully contrast color with fine weaving design work pallu with beautiful pom-pom design. And this one full base part is heavy work, very bright and fresh looks. This one is full base all over, heavy work based for your party wear, function wear. This one is a running blouse piece, fully work, and this one is full base part, golden with heavy work. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive trendy and fashionable looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. And this one also same material, same pattern, only silver base, tissue silk with heavy weaving design work, very soft one, bright and fresh looks based for your party wear, festive wear. This one is border portions, contrast color, traditional Banarosi weaving design work border, and base part is pure silver base, shiny material, tissue silk all over, heavy weaving design work, very bright and fresh looks. This one is all over base, and this one pallu portions, fully heavy brocade pattern weaving design, heavy worked pallu with pom-pom design. And this one is pallu, silver base, and this one running blouse piece. This one is running blouse piece, a beautiful one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, silver weaving brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one also very nice color combinations, beautiful one, tissue silk all over, self weaving stripes design with fine border design work, traditional. This one full base part, very trendy and fashionable looks, tissue silk material. This one is border portion, fully fine zari weaving design, traditional Banarosi border all over, fine fashionable stripes design, tissue silk material. And this one pallu portions, beautiful heavy brocade pattern weaving design work pallu. And this one is full base part, very fresh and trendy looks. This one is border, beautiful traditional Banarosi weaving design work border, and all over stripes. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive outstanding looks. Fully designer piece, very nice and fresh looks, premium quality, pure handloom, tissue linen base all over, beautiful cut work, embroidery design work, very smart and bright looks. This one is full base part, very beautiful design work, fully hand design. This one is beautiful cut work with embroidery beads design work with mirror also. This one is border portions, highlighted stripes pattern, self weaving border, and all over design work, mirror with beautiful embroidery design. This one pallu portions, fine stripes design with cut work, mirror embroidery design work, very beautiful and bright smart looks, and tissue linen base, shiny material, nice color combinations. This one is border portion, beautiful hand design work, cut work with beads embroidery design work, smart and trendy looks, designer piece. And this one is full base part. This one is running blouse piece, and I will suggest this silk material, heavy embroidery mirror design work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive outstanding looks. And this one also same material, mirror design, cut work with mirror design work, very bright and fresh looks, based for your festive wear, party wear. This one is tissue linen base, shiny material, all over, mirror with cut work design work. This one beautiful mirror with cut work design, premium quality, pure handloom, tissue linen base with beautiful mirror with cut work design, all over design work, very nice and fresh looks, parrot green shade, silver shiny material. And this one is silver stripes with beautiful mirror design work, pallu. And this one full base part, very trendy and fashionable looks, all over mirror design work, premium quality, pure handloom, tissue linen base, all over work. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy embroidery mirror design work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one tissue silk, pure handloom tissue silk with design work, embroidery mirror design, very bright and fresh looks. Let me open. This one is beautiful color combinations, golden shade, all over, fine embroidery mirror design work. This one is border portions, beautiful mirror with contrast color, embroidery, threaded embroidery design work, and tissue silk golden base with mirror design, also very bright and fresh looks, based for your party wear. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, fully contrast color patch with highlighted fine mirror embroidery design work, pallu. And this one is full base part, very bright and fresh looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one also tissue linen material and very elegant color combinations, all over, silver base and contrast golden piping with beautiful design work, very bright and fresh looks. This one is full base part, silver base. And this one is border portion, silver border, highlighted golden zari contrast piping. And this one is all over base, weaving buta with mirror embroidery design work, very nice looks, fully designer piece. And this one pallu portions, highlighted golden zari stripes with design work, weaving buta with mirror embroidery design work, very bright and fresh looks, based for your festive wear. This one is full base part, premium quality, pure handloom tissue linen base with beautiful design work. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is all over base. And I will suggest this silk material, golden brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive outstanding looks. Very beautiful one, nice color combination, same material, premium quality, pure handloom tissue linen base, shiny material, very nice color combination, silver zari border, contrast golden piping, and all over fine weaving buta design with highlighted design work, embroidery mirror embroidery design work. These are weaving butta with mirror embroidery design work. Contrast looks very nice one. This one is silver zari border, contrast golden piping all over, silver sign, premium quality, pure handloom tissue linen base with nice color combinations all over work design. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions highlighted golden zari stripes with beautiful weaving butta work with mirror embroidery design work. Very bright and fresh looks, based for your party wear, festive wear. And this one is full piece, easy drapable, and I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh looks. And this one very nice color combinations, golden tissue linen base, golden zari weaving border design, and all over feather like weaving stripes design. Very trendy and fashionable looks, golden tissue linen base with beautiful weaving design work, stripes, feather like weaving stripes design all over base with zari weaving design work border, and all over base fine weaving stripes design. And this one is pallu portions highlighted golden zari stripes pattern pallu, and this one full base part all over stripes design. Very trendy and elegant bright looks, golden tissue linen feather like weaving stripes. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full piece part. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade butta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. Very beautiful and nice color combinations, orange shade, premium quality, pure handloom tissue linen base. Upper portion is tissue linen and bottom portion is pure linen by linen weaving with polka design. Very bright and fresh looks, based for your festive wear. This one is full base part, premium quality, pure handloom tissue linen base, shiny material. And this one is pallu portions highlighted stripes design work, pallu golden zari stripes with pom-pom design. Very nice and fresh looks. And this one full base part, upper portion is shiny material, premium quality, pure handloom tissue linen, silver sign. And this portion is orange base, pure linen by linen, golden zari border all over weaving polka design. Very bright and fresh looks. This one is full base, and this one running blouse piece. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh and bright looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. And this one very beautiful one, elegant, obviously premium quality, exclusive organza silk with all over weaving design work, golden and silver zari contrast weaving design. Very trendy and fashionable looks, elegant also. This one full base part all over weaving butta design, golden and silver zari contrast weaving design, and very soft one, premium quality, pure handloom exclusive organza silk. And this one pallu in beautiful weaving design, golden and silver zari combined weaving design work, pallu end. And this one full base part, very lightweight, comfortable, all over weaving butta work. This portion is border portions, fully weaving temple pattern design work border, and all over butta design. Very fresh looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade butta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive outstanding looks. And this one nice color combinations, traditional Banarasi weaving border all over sivori printed one, premium quality, pure handloom soft silk base all over sivori printed one, and butta design. And this one pallu portions, fully contrast color dye with heavy weaving brocade pattern design work pallu, and all over sivori printed one. And this one is running blouse piece, brocade work. And this one full base part, sivori printed all over base, golden zari weaving butta work, Banarasi weaving border design. Very trendy and fashionable, smart looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright looks. So in a very beautiful and bright looks, soft silk material with heavy weaving design work, butta and border portions, contrast color dye with heavy weaving design work, and very soft ones, soft silk material, shiny material, and this one border portions, beautiful contrast color dye with fine weaving design, heavy worked border, and this one pallu portions, fully contrast color dye with self weaving design work pallu, very smart and bright looks. This one border portions all over butta and highlighted heavy worked border, contrast color dye with fine weaving design work border all over butta design, premium quality pure handloom soft silk material all over butta design, and this one is border portion and very soft one, heavy worked. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, and I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your trendy and elegant looks. And this one also nice color combinations, beautiful one, handloom soft silk material with beautiful golden zari weaving heavy worked border and all over design work, very fresh looks. This one is border portions, heavy worked border, soft reshmi zari weaving design, heavy worked border all over design work, bright and fresh looks, handloom soft silk material, soft one, comfortable, and this one is full base part all over heavy design work all over base, beautiful fine weaving design work, and this one pallu portions, fine weaving design, heavy worked pallu and all over heavy work. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, very nice color combinations, and I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your exclusive looks. This one also nice color combinations, soft organza silk Banarasi with all over butta design, traditional Banarasi weaving border design, very fresh and bright looks. This one is full base part, and this one is border portions, fully traditional Banarasi weaving design work border and pallu and all over butta design, fully weaving butta, very bright and fresh looks. This one is running blouse piece, this one is pallu, and this one all over base fine weaving design work and soft organza base, organza silk with heavy weaving design butta, and this one is traditional Banarasi weaving border design, very fresh and bright looks, and I appreciate this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your exclusive looks. And this one also same material, soft organza base with beautiful weaving border design and very nice looks, bright color combinations, based for your party wear, function wear, very beautiful one. This one is nice color combinations all over, fine weaving butta design and border portions, contrast color dye with heavy weaving design work border and pallu. This one is pallu, and this one is all over base heavy work, and this one running blouse piece, and this is all over heavy work and bright and fresh color combinations, contrast color border with traditional Banarasi weaving design work and all over butta design, very fresh looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade butta work, contrast blouse piece with this for your exclusive trendy and fashionable looks. This one also nice color combinations. Sorry, organza silk, premium quality pure handloom organza silk, and a contrast multi-color dye base with weaving butta work, very fresh and bright looks, based for your party wear, festive wear, and this one is pallu portions, contrast color dye with heavy Banarasi weaving design work pallu and same brocade running blouse piece, and this one full base part, organza base all over butta design with traditional Banarasi weaving design, heavy worked border and all over butta and all over base contrast multi-color dye base with butta design work, weaving butta, and I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this for your exclusive bright and fresh looks. very beautiful one, nice color combinations, premium quality pure handloom organza silk base, all over base, multi color dye base with beautiful weaving butta work. And this one pallu portions highlighted contrast color dye with heavy fine weaving design Banarasi work pallu. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part weaving border design and all over base contrast color dye base. And this one full base part, very trendy and fashionable elegant looks, all over multi color dye with fine weaving butta design and traditional Banarasi weaving border design, very bright and fresh looks. This one is full base, very beautiful one, organza silk base, and I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade butta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one also a very nice color combinations, premium quality pure handloom soft silk base with all over base bright maroon shade golden zari border and all over silk weaving leheria pattern design base. This one full base part fully fine leheria pattern weaving design work, all over base golden zari border. And this one full base part, and this one is pallu portions highlighted zari stripes pallu, very smart and fresh looks, maroon shade soft one. And this one is full base part semi cotton soft silk with golden zari border, all over silk leheria pattern weaving design work. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part with beautiful bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material golden shade heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and elegant looks. And this one also nice color combinations, pure muga silk, very elegant color combinations, golden zari border, white off white base. This one full base part, very lightweight comfortable zari border, and all over base part is plain, very fresh looks, lightweight pure handloom muga silk golden zari border. And this one full base part pallu and zari stripes. And this one is full base part, very nice and fresh color combinations, elegant one, lightweight soft one, pure handloom muga silk golden zari border. And I will suggest this silk material heavy Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one also same material muga silk pink base golden zari border, very elegant and fresh looks. This one is full base part golden zari border, all over plain base, very smart elegant looks, pure handloom muga silk base pallu and highlighted golden zari stripes. And this one full base part, very fresh and smart looks. This one is full base muga silk golden zari border, and this one running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and fashionable looks. This one also nice color combinations, very beautiful one, pure handloom muga silk golden zari weaving border and highlighted contrast color lines. This one nice color combinations, very soft one, pure handloom muga silk highlighted fine golden zari weaving design work border and contrast color highlighted lines. And this one full base part is plain, very elegant fresh color combination. This one is pallu and beautiful highlighted golden zari stripes pallu, and this one is full base, very soft one, lightweight smart and fresh looks. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is all over base, very trendy and elegant fashionable looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant looks. This one also nice color combinations, very beautiful one, pure premium quality soft organza silk Banarasi border, all over checks design, very trendy and fashionable looks, premium quality organza silk with contrast color dye with heavy Banarasi weaving traditional work border, all over checks design, bright color combinations, pure handloom premium quality organza silk. And this one pallu portion contrast color pallu, and this one is full base part, very bright and fresh looks. This one is full base, all over checks design and sorry, this one is pallu portions, contrast color dye with highlighted stripes, and this one running blouse piece, checks with border work, and this one is pallu, and all over base checks design and bright color combinations, traditional Banarasi border, and I will suggest this silk material, pure silk material, buta work, digital printed contrast blouse piece with this saree. For your exclusive outstanding looks, for customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. In a very beautiful and bright looks, muslin base, golden zari border, all over heavy embroidery design work, very bright and beautiful festive looks, party looks, very nice one. This one is all over base part, beautiful fine embroidery design work, and muslin base, dual shade, golden zari border, very bright and fresh look. This one is pallu in full all over embroidery design work, muslin base, transparent material, and this one full base part. This one is split section border, heavy embroidery design work, very nice and fresh looks, dual shade, golden zari border, and this one is full base. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding bright looks, party looks. For more collections, please visit our website. Our website link is www.risefashions.com. All the info written in video description, so please follow the description part. And today I have draped a beautiful saree, bright look, grey silver base, premium quality pure handloom tissue linen base, and with beautiful heavy weaving design work, border, multicolor threaded weaving design, heavy worked border, all over grey silver shade and shiny material. And this one pallu portions, highlighted stripes pattern pallu with heavy work border, very bright and fresh look, same border all over base, beautiful saree, blouse, and jewelry also. If you want the same combo, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.